Good morning everyone, respected GTO sir and my dear friends. My chosen topic for today's lecture is urbanization, boom or burden on India. In this lecture I will be covering its introduction, the boom sector and the burden on mainly the middle sector, the common man. Starting by its introduction, urbanization is a process of transformation from the rural background to a highly specified sector which enhance the youngster to come up with many platforms and other schemes. So called, it is always found to be a boom on the sector of the youth and the entrepreneurship, as we have a multiple scheme which highly reboost the youngster to come up, and so called we can have an example of the union budget of 2026 which was mainly categorized under the leadership of the youngster, and the management of the youngstership is a three kartavyas which highly in focus on the industrialization, the indigenous and the manufacturing in plant. So called the plant have been set up to boost the IT sectors and other manufacturing units, as we can have a clear example of the youngster who come forward from the rural backgrounds shifting to the cities for the jobs and other aspects, and it will provide a youngster mainly with the boom sector, as it has always called to be a initiative by the government, and so called the initiative is always taken by the self. And in terms of the relationship between the government and the youngster, the government has applied many schemes like the startup and stand up, also called the Make in India scheme, and the indigenous sector in terms of the defense sector has always found to be a boom in the fostering of the manufacturing in plant. And the other aspect of the indigenous reforms, we have a clear ties with other developed nation. Being in the developing sector, India has always focused on to the indigenous reforms, so called more on to give export rather than depending upon the imports. So in terms of the burden sector, we can have a clear example of the rural background and the mostly low poor people who are coming from the remote areas of the country, and the northeastern region of the our country has been highly impactful from the same. So called we have a clear example of the northeastern states which are kept under the 6th schedule, the tribal autonomous right, and they are always having a clear mentality of being indigenous reforms. So called they can come up with the many boom and sector industries, like the burden have been always found onto the other side of the aspect, and we can have a clear example of the oneself that so called the motivation and the determination to so on and take place is up to the individual only, and the manufacturing implant has always set up to the indigenous reforms. And in last I will put on my opinion in terms of the urbanization, that urbanization has always created a platform where youngster can come up with new initiatives, and so to boost the economy at the level that it will rebuild the ecosystem to the extent that India will soon the developed nation in the upcoming years. That's all. Thank you.